Hey friend, welcome to our casual chat on securing Azure SQL databases. So, Azure SQL, right? It's a fantastic service for managing databases, but hey, nobody wants their data floating around in the ether, right? So let me break it down for us. Now, imagine you are throwing a party and you want to ensure guests' privacy. It's similar to secure databases. You need some robust policies and tools at your disposal. Azure SQL has these smart things at its core for data protection. And just like at a party, you get these things preset, which is super handy for someone as tech-savvy as I am. Firstly, let me lay out Azure's encryption magic. It's got this transparent encryption that automatically ensures your data stays private while they're at transit and when it's at rest. There are multiple layers to consider, such as blobs encryption, always-on encryption, and even something called purge encryption, which is awesome for data that's older than a forgotten birthday cake. For a bit more hands-on stuff, implementing identity integration with Azure Active Directory can be an absolute game-changer. It's like having a digital bouncer at the gates, ensuring only the who's chief in their rightful place to access data. This integration makes it super easy for you to set up multi-factor authentication, which is like having a two-step verification where you double-check by sending a thumbs-up message to your phone before granting access. Now, think about setting up firewall rules. It's akin to ensuring only VIP guests can approach your SORI. Azure SQL allows you to set these firewall rules with strict rules about who can connect to your database. It's customization to the next level. Then there's the SQL Server Browser service. Yeah, it sounds like a music band, but you know what it really is? A critical service that, when enabled, helps your SQL instances find each other as if they're best pals. But remember, it's a guest house, so you should ensure only the invited guests have inbound and outbound connections. And let's talk about the master key and certificates. Imagine tying a string around your guest's wrist, ensuring they don't stray from the gala. It's all about securing the keys to your database kingdom. Now, we mustn't overlook the server auditing. Auditing acts like a paparazzo for your party, capturing every detail and storing it for future reference. Whether it's the sneak back into the bathroom or someone eavesdropping, Azure has got logs for that too. Don't forget about activity logs. They are your SQL's social security records, tracking every little and every big action. Imagine leaving a note on every guest's entry and exit. That's what activity logs are about for databases, being meticulous about who did what and when. TCP keep alives, oh boy, they ensure your database connection doesn't just disappear into thin air without a trace. Like that one guest who double dips on the pizza, connection resets can be a sign of something fishy, and keeping them in check is crucial. And finally, when it comes to backup and recovery, think of it as the emergency kit that comes handy when life happens. Azure SQL helps by automating backups. Should something go wrong, like a misbehaving guest, you restore them quickly, without losing sleep. Phew. Got all that? If your head is swimming, don't worry, it's just the tech buzz. Now that you've heard about securing Azure SQL database from someone with real hands-on experience. So, if you are in good hands with those best practices and sophisticated strategies, feel free to drop by my website, neeraj.qzz.io. There, I dive deeper and dish out more of that good stuff. So, don't forget to subscribe to my content on TechLab, and we'll keep our conversation rolling and our databases rock solid.